Dodge mounted bearings are manufactured in Rogersville, Tennessee and Marion, North Carolina, with long-term employees committed to safety, quality, and customer service. The same values that employees have put into our products for over 135 years. We take pride in building reliable bearings for applications around the world and here at home. This bearing may be used in the quarry down the street or the process facility up the road. There's a lot of pride in knowing that we help keep our customers' equipment up and running so that they can be successful. As the first manufacturer of mounted bearings and the first to introduce Type E mounted taper roller bearings, we understand that being first isn't nearly enough. We must also continue to be innovative and customer-focused while following the road less traveled. Each facility utilizes state-of-the-art equipment, a talented workforce, and lean manufacturing processes to consistently build a wide variety of products with short lead times. Built with the highest quality materials and patented features, like our locking mechanisms and advanced sealing technologies, we increase performance and reliability in the most demanding environments. The build-on-demand cell in our Marion and Rogersville plants can produce one-off parts when you need them the most, and delivered quickly, minimizing unplanned downtime. By building products close to where they're needed, we're able to take care of our customers on every level. Local inventory from over 1,600 authorized distributor locations, quick replenishment, over 130 dedicated U.S. sales engineers, and the personal service our customers have come to expect, require, and deserve. We are often asked why we continue to produce our products here while our competition has moved abroad. Our answer is simple. We do what's best for the customer. Not only do we do what's best for the customer, we do what's best for our own. We're more than a company of employees. We're a family. We believe that the work we do matters. And how we do work matters. Reminding employees to work safely, because we are counting on them to be there. Our success begins and ends here, with the health of our workforce. Our focus on quality, safety, innovation, and customer service is woven into everything we do. We are proud of the employees who take care of our customers every day. We are proud to manufacture Dodge mounted bearings locally in Marion, North Carolina, and Rogersville, Tennessee.